Claude becomes dramatically more useful when it can reach the systems where real work lives, files, databases, tools, APIs, and workflows. MCP matters because it gives AI applications a standard connection layer instead of forcing every team to rebuild integrations from scratch. It turns Claude from a conversational assistant into a context aware operator, model context protocol. The core bottleneck is not intelligence, it is access. Without live context, Claude can reason well but still operate from incomplete inputs, copying files, pasting logs, exporting reports, and describing systems manually creates friction, errors, and delay. Existing workflows depend too much on humans moving context around. Before MCP, every tool connection needed a custom bridge, one connector for GitHub, another for Slack, another for Postgres, another for internal files. That creates duplicated work and fragile maintenance. MCP reframes the problem as a shared protocol where servers expose capabilities and clients consume them consistently. Anthropic, MCP is the USB-C port idea for AI systems, one common interface for many external sources. Instead of teaching Claude every system separately, developers create MCP servers that expose structured access. Claude connects through a client, discovers available capabilities, and uses them when the task requires external context. Model Context Protocol, MCP follows a client-host server architecture. The host is the AI application. The client manages the protocol connection, and servers provide tools, resources, and prompts. This separation matters because it keeps model reasoning, user experience, and external system access in distinct layers with clearer security boundaries. Model Context Protocol tools let Claude take actions such as calling an API or running a workflow. Resources provide readable context such as files, database schemas, or application data. Prompts package reusable instructions. Together, these primitives turn external systems into structured capabilities. Claude can inspect, select, and use Model Context Protocol. A user asks Claude for an outcome. Claude checks what context or capability is needed. The MCP client communicates with the right server. The server returns data or performs the action. Claude then reasons over the result and continues the task. The magic is not hidden intelligence. It is clean orchestration. With MCP, Claude can work closer to the source of truth. It can inspect project files, query structured data, reference business systems, and trigger approved tools without requiring endless copy-paste. For beginners, the shift is simple. Claude is no longer only answering from chat context. It is operating through connected context. Claude Platform. Connection is not the same as permissionless access. MCP systems should be designed with authentication, scope tools, allow lists, logs, and human review where risk is high. The beginner mistake is treating MCP like a plug-in button. The professional model is treating every MCP server like production infrastructure. MCP points toward AI workflows where assistants do not just generate text. They coordinate systems. Claude can become a layer above documents, code bases, databases, and business tools. The strategic lesson is clear. Learning MCP means learning how modern AI moves from conversation to execution.